I'm here with the OneSchool Global Detroit campus, and we are dropping off items at Haven.
One of the biggest things that we as a school is we absolutely try to empower the students. They do take on a lot of initiatives.
I thought it was awesome when a student reached out to me and it wasn't a principal, it wasn't a teacher, it was them specifically reaching out.
One of our core values at OneSchool Global is care and compassion, and we thought what was happening here at Haven just aligned perfectly with that.
To have a school group come in or a community partner come in with donations means everything to us. It means that we can continue to offer services. It means that survivors in shelter and those not in shelter are going to get the things that they need, those basic needs.
I'm very proud of everything they have done, very proud of who they are becoming, very proud of the initiatives they take from a leadership, from a responsibility, but then almost more importantly, the care and compassion piece, because truly, especially in today's day and age, we need that more than ever.